Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Leos. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Okay, guys, we pick two more cards. Okay. Leos, with these cards, I feel you're getting some very good opportunity. Okay, for Leos, generally, for this past week, I've been getting a very positive kind of cards, positive energy. Okay, so you are moving ahead in your professional life, in your work. You're getting some kind of promotion, or your social status is increasing. Okay, some kind of very good positive change is coming. You may be getting some important announcements today, so that may also be in the cards, guys. um, Something you were wishing to change. Okay, some kind of situation you were just hoping to end is coming to an end. Okay, it is reaching a conclusion, a climax. Okay, so that is also the energy here, and you're moving forward. You're overcoming all the obstacles you were facing. Okay, and you are what to say, seeing the path to reach your destiny. Okay, you're identifying what is the reason for your success. Okay, Leos, that is also the energy here. You're unlocking the secret for your success. Okay, that is the energy, and few of you all may get for some of you all, you are getting lucky in your relationship. You are finding new person, or if you were distanced from your person. Okay, if you were having some kind of issues in your relationship, those issues are coming to an end, and you are getting back together with your person. Okay, that may also be the energy here. They are definitely moving towards you, guys. That is the energy here. If they were away, like if you were having some problems in your relationship, and you were not seeing each other, but you had feelings for each other. Okay, something caused the trouble. For some of you all, you may feel that appearances are deceiving. Whatever uh, the person, your person, or people in your life, they are saying may not be true. Okay, by your intuition, you may feel otherwise. You may feel they are treating you bad, but they act sweet and charming in front of you. Okay, so that is also the energy here. So you have to keep your eyes open and see the truth, guys. um, for some of you all, you may find people like that in your life today. Okay, somebody trying to con you, cheat you maybe. So that is also the energy. And for most of you all, it's very positive. You're meeting with friends, you're enjoying passing time in some recreational activities, some kind of interaction with friends in clubs, or in you're going to a party, okay, or some kind of communal activity like fundraisers, or you're helping somewhere, okay, that may also happen. So that is the energy here. So something drastic, something you just were wishing to uh, end is happening, okay, something really bad, some situation which you wanted to overcome, the difficulties are ending, and you're getting understanding the situation, and you're getting clarity, guys. That is the energy here. You're getting clarity over the situation. Some of you all may get gifts today. Someone might gift you, okay, send you a gift or flowers, or come and meet you. This may be your estranged person, or some of your friends, okay. So there is a great transition happening in your life, a good change towards some kind of positive dreams maybe, okay. So something good is happening, guys. That is the energy here for your Leos. And some of you all may be involved in a romantic relationship with your person, okay. uh, and some of you all may take up some kind of art, whatever it is, like you feel the yearning, okay, whatever you just want to do, okay. Some of you may have the urge to start painting or singing something. So for some of you all, you are starting some kind of new hobby, okay, whatever you feel in your heart you love to do. That may also be the energy here. And you are identifying the reason for your success, guys. You're safeguarding your goals, okay, the path to reach your destiny, okay, whatever you wish for. So you're identifying your finding, and you're feeling the determination to reach those goals. That is the energy here, Leos. Everything is falling into place. That is the way you feel today. So things are turning positive, things are becoming good, okay. And the pieces of the puzzle are falling into place, and you're seeing the clear picture, you're getting an understanding of your situation. That this may be in your work or in your personal life, guys. So that is the energy here. Let me pick out 3 cards from this other deck. Let's see what's coming up. This person you like, they are definitely moving towards you, Leos. That is the energy here. Problems or solving, you're understanding the issues, or maybe they are understanding the issues, and it's coming, the issues are clearing, okay. Be strong. Cherish innocence. Speak from the heart. Okay, guys. So you have to be courageous enough to voice out the truth, guys. That is the energy here. So whatever you feel in your heart of hearts is right. Whatever you stand for, your ideals, your beliefs, you should be able to adhere to them, okay. Stand by those ideals, stand by those beliefs, and at the same time you should not hurt the other person, but you should speak the truth. Whatever you feel is right in your heart, you should be able to do that. Okay, so that is the energy here. And you have to uh, what to say, sometimes you need to decide on something spontaneously. Okay, and sometimes you just need to let go of your past burdens and enjoy the present, guys. So that is also the energy here. Go with the flow. Okay, whatever happens today, just accept it and be happy for the day. Okay, so whatever good things are happening, just step back and watch those things and feel the joy in your heart. Okay, and watch the magic happening all around you. Okay, just be happy for the things you have today and just enjoy. So that is the energy here, Leos. So today some nice things are happening for you, Leos. You're getting some information about something. It may be in your relationship. Okay, something that was bad, some kind of negative energy is coming to an end, and you're opening a new chapter. Okay, new page in your life. So that is the energy here, Leos. Thanks for watching, guys. Your person is definitely coming towards you, guys. So they may come and visit you, maybe gift you. So that is the energy here. Thanks for watching, Leos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.